If you are loving the lemon kitchen decor as much as I am, then this video is for you because I'm putting together an easy peasy lemon squeezy simple kitchen tablescape. Keep watching. If you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe and hit that little bell icon so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, let's jump into it. Second Hand Tracey Ann is having a love affair with lemons for the month of May, and I am jumping right in on that trend. I love how bright and sunny lemons look for kitchen decor. They just make the kitchen look so beautiful, and it works perfectly in my bright green kitchen. And I have the perfect lemon plates. I've had them for years, and I typically only get them out when my sisters or girlfriends are coming over because they're kind of girly, and I like to kind of make them look a little bit more frou-frou. And this particular challenge was the perfect time for me to get them out and share them with all of you. Now I've got the table set for 4 because only 3 of my 4 sisters live here in town. So there's just enough for the 4 of us. And then let me just show you these sweet little square plates. I just love these plates. And I picked them up at Pier years ago. And when I bought them, I bought coffee mugs to go with them. Well, the coffee mugs have long since bit the dust, but I do still have the plates. And I also have 4 serving bowls that go along with them. Let me show you those. Now these are the serving bowls that come with this set, and I will get them out and I'll put things in it like chicken salad or fruit, different things like that. They're way too large to eat in, but they're perfect when you want to put something for people to serve themselves from. So now let me show you what I've got going on here on the table, and then I'll deconstruct the table for you. These plates are beautiful. I just love the lemons that are here on the plates, and then you've got your green leaves, and then the brown from the stems that are there, and then another set of leaves there. And as far as napkins, I just took a set of green napkins that I picked up from Pier and folded them this way, and then just draped it here on the table and put it underneath the plate. And I don't know, I just love the napkins that are placed like this underneath the plate. And since it is lunch and we're just going to have something simple like either chicken salad or green lettuce salad or something like that, this plate is the perfect size. And I always serve water, so I've got an all-purpose goblet right here that will have the water in, but then we'll also have lemonade. So I've got these mason jars here, these ball mason jars to serve the lemonade in, and these pretty little yellow straws that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. The mason jars I've had forever because I can, so I just dug them out of my canning supplies, and it's just a nice little table setting. Nice and simple, and sometimes my sisters don't particularly care for things that are real fussy. So this is nice, it's classy, it's girly, but it's not too fussy. And then for a centerpiece, I've just got this simple white pitcher that I've had forever. I believe I got flowers or something in it at one time. And they're nice and simple, but they just really add a lot of color. So what were the requirements for the collaboration with Second Hand Tracey Ann? Well, we just needed a centerpiece and some lemons. So I've got my centerpiece made with lemons, and then I've also got my lemons that are on my luncheonware. Let's get this chair out of the way. So just put your placemat on the table wherever you like it, and then take your napkins and fold them into thirds. And then fold it down about another third. And just lay it there on top of the plate. And you want to make sure it's in draping. And I want the lemons on this side and the leaves on that side. And I bring this down close to the edge of the placemat. I'm going to have my knife with the blade of the knife turned in. My spoon right beside that. My fork over on the left. And then my water goblet's going to be right toward the top of the plate, almost to the top of the butter knife, but I'm going to have to move this in just a little bit because I want all of the utensils and the glassware to be on the mat. And then, there you go. Nice and simple. Now, if you're not familiar with Second Hand Tracey Ann, I will link her channel below. She is so funny. She is very creative. She does a lot of things over there on her channel. Hauls and DIY, table decor, lots of collaborations and challenges. You will love what she does over there. So I'll link her below so you can check her out. I'll also link the playlist when it is available as well. Now here's my question for you. What part of this simple but elegant and very, very classic lemon tablescape do you like the best? Tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video.